Hi, let me tell you about another great Manning book, Sutskever's List, Foundational Ideas of Modern AI, written by Richard Heimann.
In November 2023, Elon Musk tweeted, "Something scared Ilya enough to want to fire Sam." What was it? The phrase, "What did Ilya see?" went viral. Had Ilya Sutskever glimpsed an existential risk others missed? To understand this, we must examine Sutskever's List, a collection of nearly 30 papers he described to John Carmack as containing 90% of what matters today. This book explores these papers as interconnected threads, revealing AI's evolution and offering insights into one of its most influential thinkers. We will explore Ilya's rise and introduce the list, focusing on GPT-2. Its announcement as too dangerous to release marked the first major public conflict between scaling and safety, setting the stage for a later crisis. Ilya Sutskever studied under the so-called godfather of AI, Geoffrey Hinton. In 2012, with Alex Krzyzewski and Hinton, he trained AlexNet, dramatically reducing ImageNet error rates. Yann LeCun called it an unequivocal turning point in computer vision. Google acquired DNN Research in 2013. At Google Brain, Sutskever collaborated on TensorFlow and co-authored the AlphaGo paper. In 2015, Sam Altman invited Ilya Sutskever to discuss the idea of creating a counterbalance to Google with Elon Musk, who referred to Ilya as the linchpin. This led to the founding of OpenAI later that year, with Ilya as chief scientist. By 2020, OpenAI unveiled GPT-3. Sutskever is widely credited as the chief architect of the GPT series. In 2022, Ilya commented on large neural networks being slightly conscious. OpenAI launched a super alignment team, co-led by Sutskever. Reports describe him encouraging employees to feel the AGI and ceremonially burning a wooden effigy representing unaligned AI. On November 17, 2023, the board ousted Sam Altman, with Sutskever reportedly playing a key role. Researchers had warned of a Q-star breakthrough, intensifying the "what did Ilya see" narrative. Within 48 hours, over 700 employees threatened to quit. Sutskever apologized, expressing regret for his participation. By May 2024, Ilya and OpenAI parted ways, and the superalignment team was dismantled. On February 14, 2019, The Guardian published an article titled, "New AI Fake Text Generator May Be Too Dangerous to Release." GPT-2, a 1.5 billion parameter model, was withheld by OpenAI due to concerns over malicious use. I told you, son. This marked the first time the field seriously paused for safety considerations. Many believed the narrative was overblown. OpenAI became closed AI, with suspicions of publicity seeking. In November 2019, OpenAI released the full model, noting no strong evidence of misuse. GPT-2 was a landmark moment where innovation and risk mitigation publicly clashed, eventually leading to Altman's firing. John Carmack turned to AI after gaming. Sutskever handed him a reading list promising 90% of what matters today. When Carmack revealed the list, it captured the imagination of the AI community. By 2023, a researcher compiled a likely version viewed nearly 1 million times. The list includes AlexNet, ResNet, transformers, and papers on Kolmogorov complexity, a comprehensive overview of the era. This book presents Sutskever's mental model. Don't bet against deep learning. The list highlights deep learning while omitting symbolic approaches. Engineering pragmatism prioritizes large-scale engineering over theory. Do more with less at scale. ResNets introduced residual connections. Transformers replaced recurrent architectures. Emergence and compression. Sutskever views intelligence as compression, finding simpler, more abstract representations of complexity. Before Transformers, there was AlexNet. It marked the end of one era and the beginning of another. This book adopts this reconstruction, weaving together two threads: the human story of Ilya Sutskever, and the pivotal moments that shaped modern AI, alongside technical explorations of the 30 papers he deemed essential, from AlexNet's architecture to the mathematical foundations of compression and emergence. You'll understand both why these papers mattered and how they work.
Get this book at Manning.com